In 1327, a boy of just 14 was crowned king, Edward III, son of the deposed Edward II. At first, real power rested not with him but with his mother, Queen Isabella, and her ally Roger Mortimer, who ruled in his name. England, weary from years of weak kingship, watched as the shadow of favoritism threatened to return. But young Edward was no puppet. By 1330 he struck boldly, seizing Mortimer and having him executed. Isabella was cast aside, and Edward III took full control of his throne. A new era had begun. Unlike his father, Edward was every inch a warrior. He revived England's pride on the battlefield, leading campaigns in Scotland to avenge Bannockburn and asserting his authority as a king to be feared. Yet his greatest ambition lay across the Channel in France. Through his mother's bloodline, Edward claimed the French crown, sparking the legendary 100 Years' War. In 1346, at the Battle of Crécy, his English army, armed with the deadly longbow, crushed French knights, rewriting the art of medieval war.